All of you know woman that go on to the party, you must feel like a piece of shit. She's in a plane. And sing give best dress to pick with cocky. How to all out no beautiful ladies. My thing got a very like cut. I me. Have a wonderful time. She's in a plane.
Yes, alright. We keep over there for ticket come. And then say ticket and best dress. Alright. Outstanding. Yeah.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We are blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute up on the beat, and as you can see on the screen, people will have a whole heap to deal with in our video, so it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with Auntie Donna because she's coming under heavy fire from all type of communities except for one, because she gave, you know, the best dress award to this man you see in front of you. I'm named Tiki, right? Put in the comment section where you think about that, because the rest in the beginning say all of the individuals that participate in this must feel like you know what. Do you agree with that statement? No, the next bagger involving Jamaicans and Trinidadians, and you know, keeping up with the same topic, women. We see Nicki Minaj rushing. Where Gucci man, woman and wife, Keysha, Kayor, wicked, letting the world know that this girl has been biting her style forever and always wanted to be in the spotlight, and having, you know, Gucci man under manners like sedative and all of these things. Listen, man, some people put in the comment section where you think about that, because you know Gucci man and them woman put out one book about him life. And you know Keysha, this did one Breakfast Club interview saying, you know, she wish Nicki Minaj would give Gucci man more credit for her career versus a Luther Wayne. You see, some people, and we know Nicki Minaj has done that over a lot of times. You see me, so I don't know why Keysha did say that, but nevertheless, Keysha responded back to Nicki and said, I'm like, nah, since when? Out here embarrassing. We know that she's talking about Nicki Minaj. You see me, I said, because the thing this a trend, everybody posts it, all of these things. You see me, I said, and you see a couple of people in Keysha comments basically bringing up Nicki name. So we know who she attacked, but Nicki was more direct. Listen, some people putting in the comment section where you think about that.
Yeah, Jamaica is such a beautiful place. Eh? Look at a view here. From the bedroom. Out to my balcony. Good morning, my people. Much love and respect for the love. Peace and love. That way I do. Always. Golly.
Okay, people, that was Mavado giving an update on the views that he's seeing from his bedroom in Jamaica. He said, putting in the comment section if you're going to his concert December 27th. You see me? As you know, Jamaica is not looking like that right now. That was yesterday and today. You know, them say the storm arise and all of these things. And you know, so the gully them in Jamaica flood up and need to clear up. So you know, so the thing is havoc on the street. You know what I mean? So if you have to go out, just be safe. You know what I mean? Bundle up and all of these things. You know what? Catch ringworm and all of these things that's moving through these nastiness waters. You see what I say? But I'm just giving them quick update with my father, your side. Okay, people, Akeem's mother is out here defending, you know, obviously her son and her daughter-in-law, right? But I think she's just trying to keep the narrative that her son didn't do no wrong. And we know he did a lot. You see, some people, as you can see, the only somebody that tried to intervene with Rosealee and the Slimmers was the Slimmers' friend. You feel me? While Akeem and the rest of the crew was just filming Rosealee and laughing. So not enough was done to de-escalate the situation before it escalated to what we see and talking about now. In my honest opinion. Let's hear what the mom is saying though.
People are talking, I want to come for people to come. You just can't believe a person have one kind of way and people still love them. You can't believe one man stay one kind of way and I'm own little cute zone and I doing thing and you can't please feet. You can't see a little youth arise and you thankful and you try to broke them down. You try to say all manner of evil, you try to say all kind of things. Good night, Journey. Good night, baby. Thank you so much, baby. Talk to me now. Thank you, baby. Oh. Yo, me say, yo, me I tell you this. I mean, me would talk this. I mean, we ever talk this. You see me not run from nothing. Me stand up because God want me stand up. But me not say foolishness and swallow it. Me tell you no people, me tell you no say sometime when you pray for you pity them, you can feel when some things are come. Everywhere him turn, every foot him put in, everywhere him step, there's something. When nothing ain't go on for him, when not even when him there by himself, you don't have nothing to say. But as soon as things are going, you don't have something to say. Him not for prosper. Sometimes when I feel like you not disgrace people, you don't make them rise more. You have to remember that. When mother pray for family, and when grandmother pray for family, and when great grandmother pray for family, no matter what you chew upon them are go bounce right back. Someone wanna chat about protect. Him should have protect her. Get himself in a problem. People not have to do nothing for nobody fight them. People not have to do nothing for nobody fight them. Just go and go push one car today, and by next week, by even one under car, and you so much enemy you have. Sometimes I want to pray for us to say they want to work, brother, and not give up. Me never see nothing so yet. Me never see nothing so yet. Me never know say I saw. Why? Me never know say I saw people eat. Me know Jamaican we fuck up against, sorry, we mess up against one another. But me never really know say I saw the eat still. But I always hear my old time people talk about it, but God know me never know. Me never know say I saw it still. Thank you so much, baby girl. Look how much places them go. Oh, out of the blues. Yo, them always talk about falling angel, you know. But look like I want to reach at the blood Clemus hotel. I swear to God. Good night, Virgo, man. We always hear about falling angel. Come like I one of them reach there. Me not understand how uno can reap and plant and people don't fall, so brother. Blessing, baby. Misty, good night. Thank you so much. Oh, can power tap your life for my people. Power tap your life. Oh, can you sit down and a laugh off another woman? Don't fall. Oh, you feel good. You're not no sister. You're not no niece. I so forget clout. I saw it work. No, I saw forget clout and forget follow. I saw it work. If you go pick a fight with somebody where I step up in the thing. I'd rather lose in a life. I'm great there. Same way, so. I mean, I go tell nobody say me feel. Me not feel good. Honestly, me not feel good. Me not feel good. That wrong. That is so wrong. Good night, baby. If every woman willing for talk, that is so wrong. Me can't stop prayer. It come like me I forgot get 4 knee, you know. A 4 knee, I forgot get you now. 4 knee. Hi, baby. Yo, to all me hear them laugh. To the amount of things that them say. Thank you, Miss Brian. All if she and Akeem them name a friend or something like this happen, I really feel upset over it. Because woman me can't believe. Me can't believe see so much people want one woman don't fall. I so no want erase one somebody where I come from nothing. I wanna see him one point yes, me used to hear so the woman used to sell peanut. So now she top sell peanut and own the peanut company. Wanna have a problem with it. Come on, man. I tell you, say, we live in a sad world. We live in a sad world with some uncomfortable and sad people. Sometimes we just come like we don't like to see people happy. We take you know what to do no to see people happy. We just not understand. We want to get out of it to see people unhappy. People who are trying to make other people happy. Who not try to bring them down and just to make them happy. Come on now. The same people them who are saying shoulda do this are the same people them are gonna bring him down. And if I understand, some grow a gentleman, him a go part the fight. Thank you so much. So what him did for do? Go beat up the girl? Me dey up here so me not have time for run, come down for come run up and down go court with him. What him did for do? Go beat up the girl? Him supposed to fight the girl? No, and answer me. That's why somehow now get so much kick and box and thump and now run out tight kind of lobby. If man no seal up them foot under no crutches and no feel good. It's so far me there from my pitney. Eh? Where uno did send the devil for go fight the girl and that uno did expect. The devil wanna send go down there. The devil wanna send go down there. The devil wanna send go down there. For go war with the people them. Only they think the same devil either gonna make him get himself in a problem. What do want from the people then? Why them don't fall is so, yo, what make them don't fall is so important. Me just not understand why the downfall for them is so important. What them a do to uno? What them a niam funo? What them a niam funo? What them a take from uno? Me just not understand. Yo, me never know see I saw. Yo, me never know see I saw people where do good for themselves. Me never know see I saw backstabbing and hate real. Maybe them never know say that reach so far. Maybe them never know that reach so far. But nobody stop you from do what you have to do, brother. And find a talent and do something. Find a talent and do something. If you can't do series, write a storybook. Write a science project and bring it out, hack it out. Turn on a body in a train and trailer. Me not say why when another person.
Put in the comment section if you agree with what she's saying. As I said, not enough was done to separate the two, and there was ample enough time. It was only when the hotel security intervened, Akeem, you know, came over, because that's what the security guard told. You know, come over and help me, you see me? If it was Jake's, this wouldn't even reach this far. Anyway, people, we're not going along with this no longer, so do the right thing and like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest one. Bless.